Okay, on the 76 Ford, just changed the brakes on one side and I run into something that I thought y'all might be interested in. To take it off, take that bolt out right there, 9/16 on mine, 9/16 brake line. I tapped it out that way and then pull the caliper off. This right here, that fell out. I was a little confused where it goes. Alright, this that piece right there, and that piece goes on top of it, like that, and you drive it back in, and it holds tension on the caliper. So, that was one thing. Now, I'll show you something else. Okay, now, the inner brake shoe has this clip on it. See how it goes? I guess that'd be a squeal indicator for when your brakes get too low or hold tension one. It might be the hold tension. Put it in there, in the slot, and push up. Hard to do with one hand. Get it in the slot and push up, and it's supposed to go in, but like I said, hard to do with one hand. Okay, I got that one in. I had to tap it a little bit. Now, you would take your other shoe. It's got little, I guess you call legs on. Locks in. Made to go in there. Put that up there. Then you tie everything in. Now if you're changing your lines, there's a left and a right. There's a number for I think that's the right. For the left would be 7/8. What's the difference? That right there. On the other side, the hole is, see, this is offset. On the other side, the hole would be on this side. So, okay. Like I was saying, take that clip. Got a groove in it. Put that in there, like so. Get it started in there. Drive her home. Okay. Make sure that hole is in that groove. Take that knot, that bolt right there, and screw it in. Make sure everything is smooth. Tighten her up. Tie your line back in, your brake line back in, and you are good to go. Now that brake line, I seen somebody post about this the other day. Where am I at? That little foot goes away from the caliper. Okay? Okay. Y'all have a blessed day.